Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Sanjay Naidu, endocrinologist from Nagpur. I'll be clearing a few myths and facts in diabetes. They say that type 1 diabetes is a serious disease. We all know whether it is type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, or gestational diabetes, all are serious diseases if not properly taken care of. If you don't take care of a diabetes, you can have acute and chronic complications which can increase the mortality and morbidity in diabetes. They say that type 1 diabetic cannot have children. Considering the males, they have got no problem. Only if the diabetes is since a very long duration, the diabetic male in type 1 diabetes can have erectile dysfunction. But the ladies of type 1 diabetes, if properly controlled before and during pregnancy, can definitely have children. It is usually said that only fat people get diabetes. We all know type 1 diabetics usually are very thin. Coming to type 2 diabetes, it does occur in fat people, but not all fat people get diabetics. Only if you have got genetic predisposition, have got bad habits, then you will get diabetes. Many people say that diabetes is curable. We all know that whether it's type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes, both are not curable. In type 1 diabetes, if you stop treatment, insulin for a day or so, you can land in coma. Coming to type 2 diabetes, you can stop treatment, but after some time, if the blood sugars definitely start going up. So diabetes is definitely a controllable disease, not a curable disorder. Many people say that I've been put on insulin and I've developed blindness and I've got kidney failure. Usually what happens that people are shy of insulin, they don't want to take insulin. Even the doctors don't give them insulin for about 20 to 30 years of diabetes, and after that the patient already has got complications, micro and macrovascular complications, and definitely eye and kidney involvement. And this involvement is not because of insulin, it is basically because of the disease process. People with diabetes definitely say that we cannot take tattoos. It is not so. If the patient is well controlled, he can definitely have tattoos. Patients, they say diabetics are dangerous drivers. We all know that in drivers, if suppose a diabetic is driving and the blood sugars go low, he can have an accident. But if the diabetic patient takes medicines at proper times, eat proper food, and control his diabetes well, there are no difference between a diabetic driver and a normal driver. They say that diabetics cannot play sports. We all know that many people with type 1 and type 2 diabetes are involved in various international sports like football, cricket and hockey. So if properly controlled and proper food is taken and prevent hypoglycemia, diabetics can definitely play all sports. They say, many people still say that diabetes is a contagious disease. We all know that type 1 diabetics can occur in anybody. Type 2 diabetics usually occurs in obese people who don't take care of their diet and exercise. So definitely diabetes is not a contagious disease. Thank you.